Meaning of flimsiness.
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 Flimsiness. Flimsiness refers to the quality of something being weak, thin, or easily broken. Objects that are flimsy lack durability and often feel insubstantial or unstable. This can be problematic for items intended for everyday use, such as furniture or construction materials. Flimsiness can also refer to an argument or justification that is poorly supported, lacking in substance or evidence. In any context, flimsiness is generally seen as a negative trait, as it implies a lack of quality, strength, or reliability.